All right, good morning and welcome to Master Talker online class. In today's video, we'll be talking about light wave, okay? And this is a pinhole camera. In this pinhole camera, we have my object here and my image here. Okay, let me call my U, or let me call it V, and this U. So my V is your what? The distance between the object and the pinhole, while your U is the distance between the image and the pinhole. Okay, so the next thing you need to know is about magnification. Magnification. Now, and what is formula for magnification? Magnification is simply the ratio of the ratio of the what? The image height. Image must come first, please. The image must come first. The ratio of the image height over the object height. Or you will say the ratio of what? The image distance. This is the image distance. The image distance over what? The object distance. Okay? Or if you don't want to use U and V, you can call it the image distance and the object distance Okay, if you don't want to use U and V, you can call this one what? Object distance, and then this is the image distance. Okay, so this formula is very, very important. So let us solve some calculation to illustrate what we have for more understanding. But don't forget that I bring you everything about calculation in physics, chemistry, and maths. So if today is your first day of watching my video, please click on that red subscribe button. You can go to the playlist where you will see the numerous topics I've done. Okay, I arranged it in playlist so that it will be easy for you. Then don't forget to like and comment on my video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. So the first question we are going to solve here said an object 3.0 meter high is placed at a distance of 7.5 meter from a pinhole camera. Then I say if the image height is 6.0 cm, comma, then I say what is the distance of the film from the pinhole, and also calculate the magnification of the camera. Okay, now solution. This is very, very simple. Now let us use our parameters. We are given an object of this height. So the height of the object is 3.0 meter, is placed at a distance of this. So the distance of the same object is 7.5 meter. Then I say from a pinhole camera. I say that if the image height, they've given us the image height, the height of the image is 6.0 cm, which is what? 0.06 meter divided by 100. And then finally they're asking me the what? The image distance. The image distance is unknown. Okay, and then we need to calculate the magnification. Now we know that okay, first of all, let me calculate the magnification. You know that magnification is simply what? Image must come first, please. Image must come first. Image height over what? The object height. So what do we have? The image height is 0.06 divided by the object height, which is 3. So what do we have? 0.06 divided by 3. 0.06 divided by 3. So I have 0.02. 0.02. All right, no unit because this is meter dividing meter, so no unit. But another formula I need to know to calculate this one is that what? That the image height over the object height is equal to the image distance over the object distance. Very simple formula. So let us put everybody now. If I put everybody, I'm going to have that image height. The image height is 3 divided by the object height. The object height is sorry, the image height is 0.06. 0.06 divided by 3 is equal to what? The object height. Where is my object? Okay, the image distance. The image distance is what I'm looking for over the object distance. The object distance is 7.5. So if you cross multiply, you're going to have that di will now be what? 0.06 times 7.5 divided by 3. So I'm going to have 0.06 times 7.5 divided by 3. So I'm going to have 0.15. That is equal to 0.15 in what? In meters. So this is very, very simple. So let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Now for question number 2 said the distance between the pinhole camera and the screen of the pinhole the screen of a pinhole camera is 15 cm and the box is 25 cm long. 25 cm long. Okay, then I say at what distance from the pinhole must an object be placed must an object 2.0 meter be placed if a full length photograph is required. Okay, solution. Now let us read the question and get our parameters. They say that the distance between the pinhole camera and the screen is 15. Now from what I drew for you, you have something like this. Let me show you. We have this is our pinhole camera, and this is the image. Okay, this is the image is formed at the screen. This is the pinhole. So the distance between the image and the pinhole is called the image distance. Okay, so they have given us the image distance as 15 cm. So our image distance is 15 cm. So we have that the image distance is 15 cm. So the image distance, what's our image distance? The image distance is equal to what? 15 cm. Now convert it to meter, you have what? 0.15 meters. So then I say that what? He said that the box is 25 cm long. The box is 25 cm long. If the box is 25 cm, that is called the image height. Okay, the box is 25 cm. No, that is the object height. Yes, if the box is 25 cm, okay, on that screen, the box is 25 cm on that same screen. We're talking about on that same screen. So this is the object, the image height. So our image height, the height of our image is equal to what? 25 cm, which is what? 0.25 meters. Okay, so the next thing we are told, then I say, at what distance do we place that object? So we are looking for the object distance to get at what distance from the pinhole must an object 2.5 cm. So the object is 2.5 cm. That is the what? The height of the object. So the height of that object is what? 2.0 meters. So we are done. To get the magnification, the magnification. Don't forget that image must come first. Is what? The image height, the height of the image over the object of the image. So, and the height of my image is 0.25 divided by the object. The height of the object is 2. So I'm going to have 0.25 divided by 2. 0.25 divided by 2. So I'm going to have 0.125. 0.125. Okay. So if we now use our formula that we know, the formula that we know that say what? The height of the image over the height of the object is equal to what? Distance of the image over the distance of the object. So put everybody now. You now have height of the image is 0.25 divided by what? 2 is equal to height of the object. Sorry, the distance of the object is 0.15 divided by what? The distance of the object is what I'm looking for. So if I cross multiply, I have that d naught will now be what? 0.15 times 2 divided by 0.25. So I'm going to have 0.15 times 2 divided by 0.25. So I'm going to have 1.2. It must be placed at a distance of 1.2 meters. Okay, so that is that. So we'll go to question number 3. You see that this is very, very simple. So we'll go to question number 3. So question number 3. Question number 3 said the length of a pinhole. The length of a pinhole camera. The length of a pinhole camera is 0.15 meter. Full stop. Then say calculate the what? The height of an image. The height of an image when an object 2.5 meter high is placed 0.21 meter from the pinhole. Okay. Now solution. They say we should calculate the height of the pinhole. If you don't know what the height of the pinhole means, getting other ones will help you to know what it means. Okay. Okay. Sorry. They say that the length. They say calculate the height. Sorry. They say the length of a pinhole is this. If you don't know what the length of the pinhole is by image and object, fashion it and look for the rest. They say calculate the height of the image. So height of the image is unknown. Where an object of 2.5 when an object 2.5 high, so the height of the object is 2.5 meters, is placed at 0.25 meters, so the distance of that same object is equal to what? 0.21 meters. So you now see that automatically who is left? The distance of the image is left, and the distance of the image is the same as what? The length of the pinhole camera. So please note that the length of the pinhole camera is the same as what? The distance of the image, which is 0.15. So to get our magnification, our magnification is the distance of the image all over what? The distance of the object. I cannot use this because I don't have this one. So always remember that your image must come first before the object. So if I divide 0.15 divided by 0.15 divided by 0.21, so I'm going to have 0.71. Okay, 0.71. So if we still use this same formula, you will get what you are looking for. We are not asked to find the magnification. I'm just the one that is finding it, so that you will master the formula that image must come first. So if you have this formula now, put every day. I have hi all over 2.5 is equal to what? 0.15 over 0.21. So cross multiply to have that your hi is equal to what? 0.15 times 2.5 divided by 0.21. So if you do that, you're going to have 0.15 times 2.5 divided by 0.21. So I'm going to have 1.185. So that is 1.185. 1 point, let me say 1.8 meters. All right, let me check my time. Okay, so we keep moving. Question number 4. So question number 4. Question number 4 said the screen of the pinhole the screen of the pinhole camera the screen of the pinhole camera is a square of side 160 millimeter, and it is 150 millimeter behind 150 millimeter behind the pinhole 150 millimeter behind the pinhole. They now say the camera is placed 11 meter from a flag staff and positioned in such a way that the image of the flag is formed centrally on the screen. Then say the image occupied 3/4 of the height of the screen. Then I say what is the height of the flag staff. Okay. Okay. Solution. Now, they say that a screen of a pinhole is a square. So since it's a square, and they say that the side is this. So you know that in a square, the length is the same thing as the width, which is the same as what? 160 millimeter. You convert 160 millimeter, you have 160 divided by, I think, 1000, because 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter make 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter make 1 meter. So 1, 2, 3. So divide by 1000, you're going to have divide by 1000, you're going to have what do we have if we divide by 1000? 160 divided by 1000, 0.16. So 0.16 meters. We are coming. So they now say that what? That that the camera, and it is 150 millimeter behind. Okay, it is 160 millimeter behind. Now, if it is 160 millimeter behind, that is behind that object, that is the distance from that object to that camera. You are placing it, this is the object here. Okay, this is the object. Like this camera now is, let me say, is 160 millimeter behind the board. Okay, so we are talking about the distance of that object. The distance of the object is going to give me that 150 millimeter, which is what? 0.15 meters. Okay, So the next one is so they now said, what else did they say? They now said that what the the camera is placed 11 meters from the flag post. Oh, the camera is placed 11 meters from the flag post. Okay, the camera is placed 11 meters from the flag. I have my object and I have my the image here. So this is my V, this is my U. And I have that. Sorry, this is the distance of the image. Yes, it is 150 millimeter behind. Okay, so because here they say that it is placed 11 meters away from the flag post. Okay, so away from this board it is 11 meters. Sorry, so I'm having that what the distance of the object is what my 11 meter, please. So now they now said that what it is placed 11 millimeter away from the flag post in such a way that the image of the flag is formed centrally on the screen. That said that the image occupies 3/4 of the height. The image occupies 3/4 of the height. Then I say, what is the height of the flagpole? So the asking of the height of the object is unknown, but the height of this image is what? 3/4. 3/4 is 3/4. 3/4 of what? Of the screen. 3/4 of the height of the screen. Okay, and they've already told us that the screen is 0.16, so times 0.16, so you now have 3 times 0.16 divided by 4, so I'm going to have 0.12. So this is my 0.12. So I'm going to have that my, you can calculate the magnification. The magnification is equal to, which one is complete? Our D is complete, so I'll say Di over what? D0, so which is what? DO, sorry. I'm going to have 0.15 divided by 11, so I'm going to have 0.15 divided by 11, 0.01. This is 0.01. Okay, so but you know your formula to calculate your H naught. I have that my what? Hi over H naught is equal to what? Di over D naught. So Hi is 0.12 divided by my H naught that I'm looking for is equal to what? My Di is 0.15 divided by my 11. Cross multiply to have the what? Your H naught will now be 0.12 times 11 divided by 0.15. So you're going to have 0.12 times 11 divided by 0.15. So I'm going to have, so 0.12 times 11 divided by 0.15. I'm going to have 8.8. So this is 8.8 meters. So that is that for that. So we'll move to question number 4. So for question number 4, okay, this is the question number 4. So you see that this is very, very simple. You just need to think and then know what to do. So the next thing we'll talk about is now reflection and the reflection, and that will be in the next video. So please, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.